Hey, look, listen, man. Let me tell you something. This coronavirus shit is for real. And we out here as public workers doing our job, trying to make an honest living to take care of our families. But for you to get on the bus and stand on the bus and cough several times without covering up your mouth, and you know that we in the middle of a pandemic, that lets me know that some folks don't care, utterly don't give a fuck. Excuse my language, but that's how I feel right about now. For a grown-ass person in her late 50s, early 60s to stand on the fucking bus and cough 4 and 5 times without covering up your mouth, and you know we in the midst of a motherfucking crisis with this coronavirus, I am pissed the fuck off. I ain't blaming nobody. I ain't blaming nobody but the woman that did that shit. I ain't putting the fault on nobody else. For us to get through this and get over this, man, y'all need to take this shit serious. It's folks dying from this. Listen, it's folks dying out here because of this shit. And I don't mean, listen, I'm mad right about now because that shit was uncalled for. And I'm trying to be the professional that they want me to be, and I kept my mouth closed. All right, thank you. I kept my mouth closed. But it's at some point in time where you got to draw the line and say enough is enough. That shit was uncalled for. I feel violated. I feel violated for the folks that was on the bus when this happened. It was about a good 8, 9 people on the bus, and she stood there and coughed. Never covered up her mouth. So, to those who watching, I'm just letting you know, this is real, and y'all need to take this serious. This is real. I'm out here, we moving the city around back and forth, trying to do our jobs and be professional about what we do. Again, I ain't blaming nobody. Nobody. Not the city, not the mayor, not the department, not the state of Michigan, not the government, nobody, not the president. I blame that woman who stood on this fucking bus and coughed. It's her fault. It's people like her who don't take shit for real while this shit is still existing and still spreading. I'm out of here. I got my job to do. I love y'all. But this shit needs to stop. This shit don't make no damn sense. And I mean that. That was disrespectful. Disrespectful. We ain't talking about no teenager. We're talking about a grown-ass woman that did this. Chris, I'm good, man. I feel better today. I mean, I feel nasty right now. But I feel better today. But I feel nasty right now for somebody to do that, to sit up and cough on the bus and don't cover up themselves. And they telling you every day what to do. If you cough and sneeze, cough in your arm, sneeze in some tissue. I mean, damn. What the hell? Bruh, this ain't gonna get no better before it get worse, because people ain't taking it serious. It ain't. They ain't. Like I said, I ain't blaming nobody. I ain't blaming nobody but that woman that was on this bus that stood up behind the line where they not supposed to be and coughed 4, 5 times and didn't cover up her mouth. She did that. You can't blame nobody. I can't blame nobody else. I got a job to do. I'm trying to be professional out here. I got a job to do. And I'm being professional about it. I wanted to, Chris, man. But you know how and it'll just fester to something else bigger and worse. Because here go the big angry ass bus driver putting people off the bus. No, baby, I'm not gonna bring her cooties to you. I'm gonna take my clothes off at the front door. I'm gonna take my clothes off at the front door and get in the shower. But I just want to let y'all know, this is how our people out here acting. Our people. I ain't putting no color on it or nothing. I'm saying our people as human beings, this is how we acting out here. This ain't nothing new. This shit been going on. They've been telling you every day in and day out, what to do and what not to do. Shut up, Eric. That's my bro. But like I said, man, it's crazy. And I ain't putting it, like I said, I'm not putting the blame on nobody but that woman that did that. Nobody. I ain't pointing the finger at nobody but her. Crazy. Listen, man, I got to get out of here, man. I had to get that off my chest, man. It's just not sitting right. That's not sitting right. That's not. I can understand the cough. But 4 and 5, now I turn around, I look at cough number 2, I look up at you, you ain't got nothing in your hand, you just standing there coughing like you a baby? Nigga, please. It's crazy. Yeah, I got the fair lane quick. Told her to wipe the whole bus down, open up all the doors and the windows. Told her to wipe it down. I sprayed my area with my Lysol and stuff. Mike, man, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. They not taking it serious. They not taking this shit serious. They not. I want to set the whole bus on fire. It's mud contaminated in my book. Man. Oh, man. But yo, I got to get out of here, man. I got to get out of here. I got to make this run. What's up, everybody? I'll holler at y'all, man. Y'all be safe. If you ain't got to go out, don't go out. If you go out, cover up your face. Put some gloves on your hands. Please. Damn. If you see somebody coughing and they don't cover up, bust them in the back of their head. Like Bernie Mac. Welcome to the White Meat Show. I'm out of here, y'all. I love y'all. Peace.